Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark. I've had a lot of people ask where we launch our wave runners from when we go on the Connecticut River. We don't really go on the river much, but when we do, we like to launch at the Rocky Hill Ferry in Rocky Hill. I didn't really have anything to do today, so I thought I'd take a ride down and give a quick tour of the area. Plus, you'll get to see a bonus, the world's oldest continuously operating ferry. Thanks for watching and have a great day. The ferry has been around since the 1600s, and at the time it was the only way to get across the river between the historic farming communities of Wethersfield and Glastonbury. The state took over operations in 1915, and there have been some calls by elected officials to shut it down to save money, but all the efforts have been rebuffed by heavy public outcry. The Glastonbury port is further south than in Rocky Hill, so the ferry has to travel upriver a good distance, and it does that along the Rocky Hill shoreline. The ride across the river is very short, but it's still really fun. If you're at the park to launch a boat, the ramp is well maintained, and it has a huge parking lot, plus a couple docks to gather passengers. There's also a large fishing pier, but I wouldn't eat anything that came out of the river. The town charges a hefty launch fee of $30 for non-residents on Friday evenings and on the weekend and holidays. I don't know if canoes and kayaks have to pay to launch, but everyone can launch for free at other times. Hartford is about 11 miles to the north, and the Baldwin Bridge in Old Saybrook is about 36 miles to the south. When you're hungry, the Ferry Grill and Chill offers food, treats, and refreshments. Overall, the Rocky Hill Ferry is a nice place to launch, and it offers a nice place to visit and just relax while enjoying nice views if you don't have anything to do. If your goal is to stay on the river all day, the ferry is a great spot to launch from, but if you're planning on going out into the Sound, it would probably be better to launch further south because there are so many no-wake zones on the river that it can take a very long time to get to the actual ocean. If you have questions about the park or anything else, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.